Hey everyone, this is John Logan with Greenlit Growth Strategies, and I'm showing you how to use all the different tools and capabilities of StoryBrand.ai. In my last video, I showed you the very beginning steps of how to create a campaign and refining your brand script for the assets of that campaign. In this video, I'm going to show you how StoryBrand.ai creates the assets based on that brand script. So when you log into StoryBrand.ai, you are on this homepage here. Now we don't want to create a campaign because we already have them done. So we're going to click on the most recent one because that's the one we were working on. Our brand script is completed. Here are all of our assets for the campaign. We got 2 blog posts we want written, a lead generating PDF, website wireframe, and this can be for the homepage of our website if we're doing a website renovation, or for a landing page wireframe. We want to have a brand or product story, lead generator ideas, so we can run some more through here and generate more if we want. Video scripts, sales emails, nurture emails, social media post ideas and captions, and sales talking points. Now, if you're going to develop a marketing campaign with StoryBrand AI, these would be the assets I would suggest using as your foundation. The mechanism to create any of the assets in StoryBrand AI is all the same. When you click into which asset you want to work on, let's say blog post right here, you're going to be asked a series of questions. The quality of your responses determines the quality of the output from the AI. Now, in this case, we're generating a blog post. So it's going to ask you, what would you like this blog post to be about? Provide an idea on subject matter, tone, or other important details you'd like included. Now, because the brand script for this campaign is built on my business as an overarching brand, not a specific product or service, I'm just going to talk about why strategy is the key to making your marketing work. Next, it's going to ask me a second question. What is the call to action for this blog post? In other words, what action do you want users to take after viewing this post? All right, so I've chose my call to action that I want this blog post to push everyone towards. Go ahead and hit next. And then you're going to hit see my blog post here. It's going to generate your blog post. So now it's created a blog post for you. No matter what the AI produces, you need to proofread it for accuracy, that it's on brand with the tone you want presented through your content. I find often that any AI, doesn't matter, is kind of super fluffy, using way too many descriptive words, and it's kind of grandiose. Maybe that's just me, but that's something I look for. That's something I look for with any AI responses. So here's the title: Why strategy is the key to making your marketing work. Did you know that 70% of marketing strategies fail because they lack clear objectives? This staggering statistic highlights a critical point. Without a solid marketing strategy, businesses are like ships sailing without a compass, unsure of their destination. A well-defined strategy not only aligns your marketing efforts, but also ensures that every decision you make is purposeful and effective. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore why strategy is a cornerstone of successful marketing, how to create a robust marketing strategy, and share actionable insights that can transform your marketing campaigns and drive measurable results. A bit wordy, is covering more topics than I would want, but I also wasn't super specific. So understand marketing strategy, the importance of marketing strategy, components of a winning marketing strategy. This is kind of interesting that it went all the way out here, but you can still select it. Measuring and optimizing strategy, and the conclusion, taking next steps towards strategic marketing. For me, this is not a good blog post. If I wanted it to give me a better answer, I need to be more specific and explicit in the input I give it. But one nice thing is it gives you the SEO helper section down here. So it gives you a URL slug, the keywords that are in it, your meta title, and your meta description. This is going to be really, really good for search engine optimization when you publish the blog post on your website. We can do one of two things here. We can either hit next and go on to the next asset in the campaign, or we can hit view campaign here, which is what I'm going to do, and I can jump around and do them in any order I want. It's totally up to you however you do it. It depends on how your brain works and where your mind is at and what you're working on. And if anything clicks from a response from another asset, maybe jumping to another one makes sense. But let's say you build out all these assets and you want to go back in and you still don't like it. You can just click right back in. You can make all the edits you want. It's not going to stop you from doing that. If you don't like it, you can just hit revise here. Provide suggestions for improving this copy, or leave it blank to receive a new result. I'm just going to leave it blank. And you can revise any of the responses from StoryBrand.ai. Just click on that brain button and hit revise, and it'll produce it for you. So if we like it, we'll just go ahead and hit save new suggestion, and then your new suggestion is done. Now, so we're here now. Let's click on lead generator ideas. But there are some assets that you click on them, and just by nature of it, it will go ahead and run through the StoryBrand brand script and produce these ideas for you, its responses for you. You don't need to respond to it. These are some lead generator ideas it came up with. Explore the growth framework, unlock your marketing potential, and then it gives you a description. The marketing clarity checklist, identify your gaps in a description. Success stories, how clients transform their marketing. Get your personalized marketing diagnostic, free consultation. Join our free workshop, Mastering Effective Messaging. These are 5 different lead generator ideas. If you need help coming up with something new, if you feel like the lead generator PDF isn't really good enough, this will give you some ideas on alternatives for lead generation and capturing that contact information so you can put leads into a nurture campaign. Now, I backed into brand or product story and then I backed back out, so it shows in progress. So if you haven't finished generating it, it'll show it in yellow here in progress. But that's pretty much it, guys. Any of the assets in a campaign for StoryBrand.ai, you click into it, you answer a few questions. The quality of your answers determines the quality of the output, and you can refine everything from there. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can set up a free 15-minute growth call with me at greenlightgrowth.com, or go ahead and set up a 1-hour strategy session, and I can walk you through using StoryBrand.ai in your business. I hope this was of value to you, and we'll talk soon.